Alright guys, SATX DIY Sean White here. Got my CNC table set back up now that my tortoises are back outside. So this is what she looks like. It's a full 4x8 sheet that I can put on there. A little bit shy of doing an 8-foot piece. I gotta cut down these pieces right here. I got a master switch for it here. I swapped out my controller, so this is the V1 Engineering Lowrider 3 CNC. It's mostly printed. You see, I have an aluminum strut here, but all these other pieces are actually 3D printed. The mount for my router, which I use a DeWalt 611, that is 3D printed mounts. Mount here for my vacuum. I did acrylic for this piece here, aluminum for this piece here. You have conduit for this rails up here, conduit for the rail there. Everything's held down here. Fluid CNC V1 Jackpot controller is now mounted here as I took apart the machine and got rid of the SKR. So it's controlled by Web UI, which you can see there. We'll do a little test of X1220, which is my max, Y1265. And we're gonna watch this baby fly. If she don't crash. Bing bong bang. I can do X285, Y365, just some random numbers. X650, Y 385, X890, Y 900, X0, Y0. Bring her home. So pretty cool. She glides very well. That's 0 and everything. Let's just tell everything to come home. So 0 out the Z first. So 0 out Y. So 0 out X. It does have a probe, so I can probe the router. But yeah, pretty cool setup. Got it back up and running. Happy that it's running. So that's the V1 CNC Lowrider 3. I need to get to carving. It's been probably a good 6 months since I've had this out. Not gonna lie, have some videos of it. I have a wasteboard mounted to the wasteboard. I might try to carve a piece of foam today just to see what happens. I'll record that when I do it.